What up, YouTube? We're back at it with another unboxing. It's gonna be a quick unboxing for you guys, and I'm definitely gonna go into a deep detail video with these. Let's get straight into it. Got this big box right here. What could it be? What could be inside? Alright. Straight into it. I go straight in with the hands. Don't need no knife. Oh. We rip these open, baby. Rip these shits open. I don't need no knife. I'm poking ass up. Only time I need a knife to open up these boxes and get it in. Alright. Let's see what we got. Some paper in here. Okay, I opened it. Opened the box the wrong way. Got it backwards. So flip this over. Ooh, look like I see some Tiffany boxes in there. Okay. Okay. Man, Flight Club. Where's the receipts, Flight Club? Okay, you guys see it. Not one, but two. Let's get straight into it, man. I'm gonna have a deep detail on feet and everything review on these joints, so make sure y'all stay tuned. We got Black Game Royal Black, Nike Dunk High Pro SB. Okay, now let's check the other box. Nike Dunk Low Pro SB. Black University Red, black. Bang, bang. Y'all see the price? Bang, bang. Got that J-Pack. Seen these on Flight Club. I had to snatch them up before they went. Woo! These things are looking fire. Yeah, so I got them Royals, the J-Pack Royals. This is gonna be a quick unboxing, guys. I'm gonna show y'all the other shoe. See it, Flight Club. Flight Club pickup. So boom, we got them Royals on deck, straight from Flight Club. Threw in a little sticker in there. Shout out to them. Let's get into the next pair, and then I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Boom. Another Tiffany Nike SB box. All white. Ooh. Shout out to Flight Club, man, coming through with them legit kicks. Don't have to worry about, you know, no full gazy shit. Shout out to them. That big sticker in there. Ooh, these things are butter. Yes, sir. Check it out. Have a full detail review on these. All that, guys. This is a quick unboxing. Holla at your boy. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all comment, and like the video if you enjoyed this. And definitely should be back with more unboxings and reviews and on feet. Definitely doing deep detail review on these though. You already know J-Pack. These are the bread lows, and the other ones was the Royal highs. So fuck with your boy. We out. Let me show you the other pair. Flight Club on deck. All sales are final.